We interrupt the normal programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcasts in the cable system shall transmit it at request of the White House Department. This is the TV or broadcast has interrupted normal programming at request of the White House Department. This is the of the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air on providing the cable system. This is KW39 and we will serve the Chicago area. If you're not in this local area, please stay tuned to further updates on this emergency alert system. You're listening to your emergency alert system. The emergency alert system has been activated. This is the National Emergency Alert System. All broadcast systems shall transmit and interrupt the normal programming at the request of the White House Department. This station will interrupting program. This station will remain on the air and provide news and information. This is KW39 and we will serve the Chicago area. If you're not in this local area, please stay tuned on the Know What Radio for further updates. If do not use your telephone. The telephone should be kept open for emergency use. You're listening to your emergency alert system. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following messages is transferred at request of the United States in Chicago. There are many reports of those time has changed. The time has the primary entry point system has issued a Central Daylight Savings for the entire city of Chicago. Anyone in at night times from 11:31 p.m. to 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Everyone in the house needs to change the time into 1 hour ahead. This is the daylight savings. This is have to conclude the emergency alert system of those time has been changed. This broadcast will remain on the air. This is the emergency alert system. If anyone in the house or apartment, please change the time into 1 hour ahead around 2 a.m. from 11:31 a.m. to 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time. This is the emergency alert system. Important instructions will follow. The following messages is transferred at request of the United States government. This is not a test. The timer has been changed due to on March 13th at midnight. A time has been changed and reported in our house at around midnight. This has changed the clock in the refrigerator, in the oven, including the time in the bedroom, and the digital clock in the bathroom, in the bedroom. So at this time, it will be changed it around midnight. Thank you for listening to the emergency alert system. The following messages is transferred at request of the United States government. The time has now changed into Central Daylight Time, and the daylight saving has now ended. You may now wake up and see the time has been now changed ahead of 1 hour. You may now sleep in the bed. This is the emergency alert termination. We may now sleep. And the governor, thank you for listening for emergency alert system to the daylight saving has been changed.